Have you ever wondered if there's a limit to how much neon you can use in a single day? It's a question that's been on the minds of many, from casual gamers to dedicated neon enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the neon universe to find out the truth. Before we get into the daily limit, let's do a quick recap of what neon is. Neon is a popular cryptocurrency that has gained significant traction in recent years. Known for its fast transaction speeds and low fees, neon has become a favorite among many users. The daily limit myth. One of the most common misconceptions about neon is that there's a strict daily limit on how much you can use. This myth has been circulating for quite some time, and it's understandable why people might believe it. After all, many other cryptocurrencies have daily limits in place. Debunking the myth. However, the truth is that there is no daily limit for neon. You can use as much neon as you want, whenever you want, without any restrictions. This freedom is one of the reasons why neon has become so popular among users who value flexibility and convenience. Why no daily limit? But why doesn't neon have a daily limit? The answer lies in its underlying technology. Neon uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is known for its scalability and efficiency. This means that the network can handle a large number of transactions without experiencing congestion or delays. The benefits of no daily limit. The absence of a daily limit has several advantages for neon users. For one, it allows for greater flexibility in terms of how and when you use neon. Whether you're making a large purchase, sending money to a friend, or simply trading neon for other cryptocurrencies, you can do so without worrying about hitting a daily limit. Real-world examples. To illustrate the benefits of having no daily limit, let's consider a few real-world examples. Imagine you're a business owner who needs to process a large number of payments in a single day. With neon, you can do so without worrying about reaching a limit. Or perhaps you're an investor who wants to take advantage of a sudden price drop in another cryptocurrency. You can quickly and easily convert your funds to neon without any restrictions. Additional considerations. While there is no daily limit for neon, it's important to note that there are other factors that can affect how much you can use in a given period. For example, network congestion can sometimes slow down transaction speeds. Additionally, if you're using a neon-based exchange or wallet, there may be limits in place that are specific to that platform. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning of this video, there is no daily limit for neon. You can use as much neon as you want, whenever you want, without any restrictions. This freedom, combined with neon's fast transaction speeds and low fees, makes it a highly attractive option for anyone looking to use cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.